Taste and buy Sky Juice. Taste and buy. Lady over there so with the little picnic. Yeah, man, you with the red ear. Come over here, so now. See one here will match for your ear, you know. Yeah, man. Taste and buy, man. Real organic things straight from out of God's sky. We have enough here, so man, you can taste all. You can buy one and get one free. Yeah, man. Taste and buy. Buy one, you get one free, man. Real organic thing, man, from out of Papa Jesus sky. Yeah, man. Taste and buy in like Christmas as you go and do your Christmas shopping. You just go hold a nice Sky Juice, man. Real organic thing, man. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Hey. Mister, come over here, son. Yeah, man, you the little boy. See, little picnic ball if you want Sky Juice. Yeah, man, real organic Sky Juice, yeah. And the cappuccino one nice, you know what's myself for a man. Enough of them, man. Yes, man. Taste and buy. Buy one, get one free. Come over here, so real authentic Jamaican Sky Juice. Organic thing. Organic one, man. Who never taste them one here before. Straight out of God. Papa Jesus Sky, them your land. Yes, man. Taste and buy. Come true, taste and buy for the Christmas, yeah. Plus you buy one and you get one free. Yeah, man. Good stacking stuff as them, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Taste and buy. Yes, lady. Come over here, so. Lady. Nice lady. Come over here, so, no, man. Yeah, look over here, so. Come over here, so. Come buy one, man. Taste and buy. Buy one, get one free. Taste and buy.